Hello. So I am doing my video for the lesson 4 according to the rubric, the HTTP request, API documentation, deployment, database, and architecture. So I believe I will start with the API documentation. I got my Swagger JS file that creates my Swagger JSON to create my API documentation. It is deployed on render. It goes to render. Also, my project works locally. I can test locally. I run npm run start. I can check the context. It also works on render. I add this. It creates this person. So it works locally and on render. And the Swagger JSON contains a context schema that is used in all the routes. It is. So this is my render. This is my context schema. So I can actually try it out. Execute. I get all the context. Because I created this one again, it is duplicated. So we're gonna grab this to experiment and use all the HTTP request. Also, it gets all updated on the database. So if I hit refresh, so there's the duplicate, the Garcia. Then we're gonna modify it with the post. We're gonna grab this. Bring it out. We don't need the ID. Change it to blue. Here. So we've changed. Favorite color is now blue. Now we check the database. I hit refresh. It's blue now. So now we're gonna delete it. Try it out. Execute. It is deleted. So we check the database. No longer there. Can delete this one too, because it's a duplicate. Let's delete it. And I refresh. Ends in 3B. It's deleted. So we only have 4 objects. And this, right? I believe that's all for the assignment. The API documentation is the Swagger user interface, which is this one. These are the ones from the first week. I want to just return a JSON with my name and these names, so forth. These are the ones that we tested already. The database is shown in here, a MongoDB. I already showed the REST file with the routes for localhost and render. It is deployed on GitHub and uses the render config variables. It uses the render configuration variables, environment variables are called. The only one I have is for my database connection. And that's it.